Your mind feels like a storm, constant thoughts, worries and distractions swirling around. One moment you're stressed about tomorrow, the next you're replaying a mistake from last week. And no matter how hard you try to focus, it feels impossible to calm the chaos. The truth is, an untamed mind is exhausting. It drains your energy, steals your focus, and keeps you stuck. But what if you could regain control? What if you could turn mental chaos into clarity? That's exactly what we're exploring today. And no, you don't need to be a Buddhist or a meditation expert to master your thoughts. The steps I'm about to share are simple, practical, and for anyone ready to bring peace to their mind. The first step is awareness. Think of your mind like a crowded room, full of noise. Most of the time, we're so caught up in the chaos that we don't even realize it's happening. Awareness is about stepping back and simply noticing. Here's a practical exercise. Pause for a moment and take a slow, deep breath. Notice what thoughts are coming up. Are they about something you need to do? A worry? A random memory? Instead of judging or suppressing them, just observe. This practice is powerful because it creates a gap between you and your thoughts. You begin to see them for what they are, just mental events, not commands you have to follow. The Buddha once compared awareness to a lamp in a dark room. It doesn't stop the darkness, but it lights the way, helping you see clearly. And when you see clearly, you can respond instead of react. The second step is letting go. Here's a question. How many of your thoughts are truly necessary? How many actually serve you? Think about it. Most of what we worry about is either about the past, which we can't change, or the future, which hasn't even happened yet. These thoughts are like carrying a heavy bag everywhere you go. You don't need to carry it, but you don't put it down. Here's a simple technique. Whenever you catch yourself stuck in an unhelpful thought, tell yourself, "This thought doesn't serve me." Say it out loud if you need to. This creates a powerful mental shift. You're no longer holding on to it, you're releasing it. Letting go doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means choosing not to waste energy on things that don't deserve your focus. The Buddha taught that clinging is the root of suffering. When you stop clinging to every thought, you open the door to freedom. The third step is cultivating focus. In our world of constant notifications, multitasking, and endless distractions, focus has become a rare skill, but it's a skill you can train. One of the simplest ways to build focus is by practicing single tasking. Instead of juggling multiple things, commit to just one. For example, if you're reading a book, read. If you're eating, just eat. And if you're working on a project, silence your phone and focus on that task alone. The more you practice this, the more your brain adapts to staying in the present moment. Another effective practice is mindfulness of breathing. Here's how it works. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly. Whenever your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back to your breath. At first, this might feel frustrating, but over time, you'll notice something incredible. The more you train your mind to return to the present, the easier it becomes to stay focused, not just during meditation, but in every part of your life. Mastering your thoughts isn't about stopping them completely. It's about creating space. It's about choosing which thoughts to nurture and letting the rest drift away. Let me leave you with this. Your mind is like a garden. If you leave it untended, weeds of worry, fear, and distraction will take over. But if you care for it, By observing your thoughts, letting go of what doesn't serve you, and focusing on what matters, you'll create a space of clarity and peace. The Buddha said, "Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts." But here's the good news. When you master your thoughts, your mind becomes your greatest ally. So, where will you begin? Awareness, letting go, cultivating focus. Start with one small step today. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. And if this video resonated with you, share it with someone who could use a calmer, clearer mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom to help you live your best life. Thank you for watching.